Welcome to aminacademy.com. In analytical solid geometry, let us discuss about bisectors of angles between two planes. To find the equations of the bisectors of angles between the planes, that is ax plus by plus cz plus d equals 0 and a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 equal to 0. Suppose, look at this figure. Here are the two planes. That is here plan 1 is a plan 2. So you have to find the bisectors of the angles between the planes. Now let here if the point x comma y comma z be any point on one of the planes bisecting the angles between the planes, then the perpendiculars from this point to the two planes must be equal. Suppose this point here P is x comma y comma z. Now from this point to the first plane as well as from the point, the distance from the second plane, that is perpendicular distance from both planes, must be equal. Therefore perpendicular distance from the point P to the first plane P1 is equal to ax by plus cz plus d over square root of a square b square c square equal plus or minus a1x plus b1y plus c1z plus d1 over the square root of a1 square b1 square plus c1 square are the equations of two bisecting planes. These are the equations of two bisecting planes of these two bisecting planes. One bisects the acute and the other the obtuse angle between the given planes. The bisector of the angle, acute angle, makes with either of the planes an angle which is less than, suppose angle between the bisector plane and the first plane is lesser than 45. The angle between bisector plane and one of the given plane and one of the given plane is less than 45 degree, then we can say so the bisector plane is acute. bisector plan is acute. If it is more than 45 degrees, then the bisector plan is obtuse. Bisect obtuse. Now let us do some example problem regarding this concept. Here, look at this example. Find the equations of the planes bisecting the angles between the planes, that is x plus 2y plus 2z minus 3 equals 0 and 3x plus 4y plus 12z plus 1 equals 0, and specify the one of which bisect the acute angle. Here, let us find equations of bisector plan. Equal x plus 2y plus 2z minus 3 over square root of 1 square 2 square plus 2 square equal plus or minus second equation 3x plus 4y plus 12z plus 1 over the square root of 3 square 4 square plus 12 square, which is equal x plus 2y plus 2z minus 3 over 1 square 1, 2 square is 4, 2 square is 4, square root of 9 is 3 equal plus or minus 3x plus 4y plus 12z plus 1 over 3 square is 9, 16 plus 144, 9 plus 16 is 25, 25 plus 144 is 169, square root of 169 is 13. Now, by simplifying, considering the positive sign first and negative sign second, we get, after simplification, two equations of the plan, that is 2x plus 7y minus 5 minus 5z minus 21 equals 0. The second one is 11x plus 19y plus 31z minus 18 equals 0. Now let it be this first the given equation, let it be equation 1, this equation 2, and suppose this 3, and equation number 4. Here, if theta be the angle between the plane 1 and 3, suppose planes 1 and 3, let us find the angle between them 1 and 3, that is here cos theta equal here 1 x plus 2y plus 2z, that is x have 1, the plan 3 x have 2 plus 2 and your 7 plus for z is 2 and your for plan 3 it is minus 5 for z over square root of 1 square 2 square plus 2 square into for third plan 2 square plus 7 square plus minus 5 square. Cos theta equal 2 plus 14 is 16. 16 minus 10 is 6 over square root of your and square root of your 9 is 3 into square root of 2 square is 4, 9 is 49, that is 53 plus 25 equal 8, 78. It is equal, that is 2, then 2 over square root of 78. Here this angle gives, if you converting for tan theta, it gives square root of 74 over 2, which is greater than 1. Therefore tan theta is greater than 1, so the theta is greater than 45. Therefore theta is greater than 45 degrees. Therefore the plan 3 bisects in the obtuse angle, bisect the obtuse angle. Here we got 2 plans of bisector plan. In that, plan 3 is bisect obtuse angle. We have done. Please subscribe our YouTube channel.